You maybe pressed the wrong button.
All right, let's just start over, right?
Okay, here we are. The Works project with Christian, me, Gunner, Paxton, and Gunner.
All right, so this is you need the Works disinfectant toilet bowl cleaner, all right? And you need aluminum foil and a plastic bottle, or not a plastic bottle, just
a see-through bottle that you can see through, because it's smoky. And you guys got to make like a lot of aluminum foil balls.
We're gonna make this into 2 videos because it takes about 2 minutes for it to really explode. So it'll be right under this video. Click on it. Watch this. All right.
We can just keep the video and do that, okay?
Actually, we're just gonna make you watch it. All right.
You think this is enough for us?
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, let's do it over here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, go. Somebody hold the foil. Somebody hold the foil.
Okay, you hold that. Just keep on that. Just watch. You put it right here, dude. Yeah, right. Pour it. Pour it in. Just make sure none of it gets in your eyes, because my dad just told me it's like. Hurry, get in there. I'll tell you when to stop.
Just stick the end in there and then just
Stop now?
No, keep going, keep going. Just a little
Okay,
more.
you pour it in there.
Alright, that's good.
sure.
A little more, a little more, a little more.
Do it. That's good.
Why do you fill it up all the way?
We don't need to fill it up all the way. We just need that.
Okay, do you want some more, Dan?
Yeah.
Gonna chill.
Okay, that's good.
And don't drink it, or put it in your eyes.
What's happening, dude? What's happening?
Shake it up. Did he shake it up? Did he shake it up?
No, shake it up, dude.
We don't need to. We don't need to. Trust me. All right, just watch.
I'm gonna shake it up, okay?
Do not shake it up. You have to watch this, then.
It's not doing anything.
It will. It
shake
takes
it up,
like
dude.
2 minutes. No, trust me. You don't have to. Does it hurt when you fix it on your hand?
That's what it is. If it's drainer, yeah, you can instantly should be washing it.
It's the toilet bowl cleaner.
It was supposed to be erupting already, dude. We didn't do it right.
No, dude, trust me. It takes 2 minutes. Just watch.
I hear it. I hear it.
Trust me, it's gonna work. You hear it? Give it 2 minutes. Give it a minute. All right, dude, just keep watching.
You hear it, dude?
Yeah, I hear it.
You hear it?
Yeah.
It's not gonna be too many.
Can you record?
Here, I'm recording. It's gonna work, yo. Okay? It's gonna take a while though. It might take like a minute. Stop. We put enough aluminum?
I don't think I put enough foil paper. Go get the
There it goes. There it goes.
Whoa. Oh.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Oh, that was sweet.